My camera dirty. What's this in Island fam? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. And it's Monday. Y'all I went on the road this morning. Real hurry, come back home, do so much things for the day, but that's not what this video is about, right? We are going to do a laundry room makeover today because my laundry room real ratty. Sakura. It's real ratty. I don't even want to turn the camera around for see my children's room because the laundry room right by their room, and we took out all the stuff outside the laundry room in order to get the laundry room fixed. But we have to run to the hardware to get some fixings, like for the pipe and stuff, for the washing machine and whatever, to fix it, and then we have to come back and get that done. So we are going to run to home store really quick to get the fixings for that and come back. But it's raining, good thing we have a car. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. Today is me, you know, redoing, remodeling, decorating, whatever you want to call it, my laundry room, right? So I'll finalize the title eventually, but you have to throw away that the basket and mash up these baskets have covered. So yeah, we are off to the home store. If you see, Brandon bed has stuff on it. Sakura bed don't really have nothing on it, but all these things was in the laundry room now. So yeah, so bad item. So yeah, off to the home store, and I will get back to you when we get to the home store. So boy. Okay, y'all, so we are in home store and we're getting some pipe fixings to pipe fixings. We're getting some pipe fixings, as I told y'all before, to put for the water to run and all these different things, which I don't really know what I gain. That human being behind me there, you know what he gained, so he getting the stuff, and we are trying to get that in order to, situate that laundry room, because we need it to be situated, and they still ain't getting new letters yet. Y'all need letters. Oh, like they had F for Friday. It was Monday, Tuesday. I think I have F. If I don't know what I'm talking about, so these letters, I bought some of these letters for my letter board, but I cannot remember for the life of me if I bought an F. I know definitely I was missing an M for Monday and a T for Tuesday and Thursday, which they do not have. So I think I got the F, but I don't know, I can't remember. So I'll just have to come back after I go home and check whether or not I got it. So yeah, so anyway, we're gonna finish get the fixings for the pipe and whatever else this human being needs, and then we're off. So yeah, I will see you guys later in the next clip. Ba-bam, ba-bam, bam, bam. Only I really need lighting. You see this light that up here, this right here, there's a light going through the ground. I really need one like that for my office, like it created so much lighting in here. But look at me in the mirror. Ba-bam, ba-bam, ba-bam. Alrighty people, so this is what the area is looking like right now. As you can see, we pulled out the washing machine from the wall, as you can see, so it's connected. That's where the hose going outside to get the water out, and that's the pipe that the machine was connected to. We pull it out, and this is the area that we're going to use to put this up. Yes, it used to be a toilet and bath on this side. Sorry, it's dark, I don't have a light there yet, but it used to be that, and we're ripping out the toilet. Yes, I know they're going to tell me this could be a 2-bath house, but no, we don't need it, and we just use the space for storage anyway. But we're ripping this out, we're taking this out, and we're going to move the washing machine from here, put it over there, and make all the hair look real nice. And on this side, well, clearly you all can't see properly, but we need some serious organization up in this piece. But this is the other side, so we're going to take out the pipe that runs up the wall that has the shower and stuff like that, and we're going to use here for storage. So we're going to build storage in here. Right now, as y'all can see, it has stuff stored here, but it's in a mess, it's junk. So yeah, so we're gonna fix up here and create storage and stuff, and voila. Okay, so we're getting out the stuff from the tank in order to take down the tank. No, we're taking out the screws from the tank itself. Yeah, okay, so we're taking out the screws from the tank to get it out from the wall so that we could So the pipe here is already disconnected. As you can see, he's taking out the screws, and then is this bolted into the ground?
Most likely, yeah.
They had to unscrew it.
Yeah.
Okay. And maybe we could use back those screws.
Most likely not.
So yeah, that's what's happening right now. So right now we just slow pace, and we're going to fill up the cracks as well right there. Because this bathroom was built after the house was built, so, and as you can see, it looking, I don't know what to do there, but it kind of fuddy-duddy, so we need to repair that. And I think I want these holes sealed up, so we'll see. I don't know yet, but yeah, that's where we're at right now, basically. Y'all, look how filthy this washing machine is. I should be ashamed, right? Look at that. Look at that. Like, I really need to clean this down, so that's what I'm going to do while he's in there taking apart this. I'm going to clean down this washing machine because it looks horrendous. I should be ashamed. So yeah. Okay, so it's been like, what, half an hour later, and we're still struggling to try to take this out from here because it's been here so long that the screws that is holding it down is rusty and they're not coming out, so it's a whole struggle and a half right now. As you can see, y'all, he's using what, a hacksaw. He's using a hacksaw to try to cut the screw from behind so that we don't have to break the entire toilet, but the toilet tank, because we don't want to do that, and that's just gonna cause mess and problems for everybody. So he's trying to like cut the screw from behind it so that we could just, you know, loosen it up and take it out. So clearly this is going to be a more than one day project because we're running into hiccups already and we just started. So yeah, I don't know how long this is going to take to get out. The struggle is real, and I can see him rolling up his eyes and his head right now because he's so fed up for this ish already. Yo, the struggle real. The struggle real. Okay? So, yeah. Yo, why is it whenever I want something done or need to get something done, especially with the house, there is always an issue. There's always a hiccup. There is always a problem. Like, it has been like 1 hour and a half now, and we still have not been able to remove the old toilet that is in the soon-to-be laundry area because we can't get out the screw that is bolting into the wall. On top of that, we've been trying to use a hacksaw to saw the screw in half so that we can break it to get it off, and for the life of us, or for the life of him, that for that matter, it's not coming out. So so the major things that we actually have to do, because I thought removing that would have been the easy part and then getting everything else done, that has been turning out so far to be the hardest thing that we are doing because it's still there trying to take out the screw, and it's just one screw now because all the rest of the screws come out. It's just one more screw, and just why it's always something. It is always something. First I couldn't find my bracket, then like so many other things I wanted to do, just couldn't do it, and now when we finally get stuff to be able to do stuff, they will be dealing with. So hopefully we get it out and we can move on with this project. I wanted this video to go up on Wednesday because it is Monday, but clearly it's not going to go up until probably the end of the week. It's probably going to take us the rest of the week to do very little things inside of there simply because of hiccups and issues. So yeah, stay tuned to see if we get this toilet out. We have to resort to power tools all the Then go outside if you jump in. Amen. Y'all, we had to resort to power tools as you could see. But it worked. It worked. We got it out. So now you have to drill, well, use the reverse on the drill to unscrew these bolts that's down inside of there to move the toilet. And I feel like we should have a garbage bag to like put this toilet up in when we lift it up, you know, because like ew, just ew. But yeah, so I'm gonna get a garbage bag to put that in because I think our garbage bag's on top of the thingy. But y'all, we got it out. We got it out. So just the next part, and hopefully this is not as hard as the first part. Because we take like 2 hours just to get out a screw. One screw, because 4 came out easy. And that last one was hell. So, yeah. So this is probably going to be day 1 of our laundry room update. Or our laundry room makeover or whatever. Because, yeah. Okay, so as y'all can see, exactly what we didn't want to do, we had to do with this toilet because I don't know who's the idiot that put us in. But y'all seen that they literally use concrete, like cement, look at that.
Water.
Cement, mortar, whatever you call it, to hold the damn toilet seat or bowl or whatever to the ground. So even if we had like gotten the screws out, this was not coming out, huh? So it had to be broken. Well, you seen all the mess. Had to be broken. I don't want to see that grossness, but look, it had to be broken. Broken to get this out. Like what? And now we have to get rid of this big hump here because that's where we're supposed to put our washer. So like, now we had to be banging this out. Excuse? All again, my work. What? Well, not me, but well, you know what I mean now. But seriously though, so clearly, all you know, this is gonna be day 1 of the laundry room video because you see what's going on here, right? And that's sounding real hard. It's sounding very, and the screws. Let me see. The screw literally drilled into mortar while it was wet and then dry and what? Who do this? Who think of this?
They didn't want it to come out.
Who thought that was a good idea? Who? So, by the way, I should mention to all of that this is 3 hours after we started, because we started about 4:30. It is now 7:40. So yeah.
Yeah, she walking hard.
I need goggles. That frickin' just spark.
Yeah, because it had. Yeah, I didn't get she vexed there. That's the thing I didn't know. I didn't get she vexed. That. She just said she wanted somebody fun.
Oh my god. What the hell in that?
Oh, tell me, how are you feeling?
Okay, people, so as you can see, we have gotten the hump off the ground. I kind of pong it too and try to help. Like, yes, because you did record me pounding my life away, so they have evidence that I did it. But y'all seen, right? So you're seeing all of this debris and all of this nonsense. We clearly have to clean it, and we are like capping off that disgusting thing. Just, we don't want to like completely demolish it because we want, if we want to put a toilet back here in the future, that we still have the option, so we're not completely removing this thingy from there. But we do have to clean up all of this mess. So yeah, which I can't because I ponged that thingy. Dust one's in my face and I already can't breathe properly. And here is very stuffy, and y'all seen that is mostly dust, right? So we think go and clean it. I know I sound an abusive, but I assure you I'm not. I'm not abusive. So yeah, this needs to be cleaned up tonight. And yeah, I guess we'll come back to y'all tomorrow. So I'll just show y'all us cleaning up this, and then I guess tomorrow will be more. Yeah. Okay, so I didn't record the cleanup of, you know, the cement and the pieces from the toilet and whatever being cleaned up, simply because I had to watch the baby because she doesn't want to stay in the other room by herself, and she keeps coming over here, and this should not be trampled in because it was really dusty and dirty. Y'all can see like dust particles in the air. So yeah, so it's cleaned up. It's all swept up and looking good. Well, not completely good, but way better than it was looking just now. So this is what we're working with. So this pipe has to be removed. Well, not completely removed, just that fixing on the pipe has to be removed, and we have to add more pipe to this so it can come up the wall so that we can add the pipe for this washing machine here. Great. And then we have to obviously make a hole in the wall to put a pipe just like this to go out so that the hose for the machine that sends the water out will, you know, be going outward and send the pipe down into the drain. And yeah, so this is what this side is looking like so far. This side, however, is still a natural disaster. So yeah, so the side, we didn't even touch this side today. Swear, we didn't even, only can see that we didn't even touch this side today. So that's what we're dealing with. This is what we have. So yeah. So guys, I cannot breathe for the life of me because it is stuffy in here. It was dusty, it was everything. And you'll see I was pounding concrete and it just wasn't working out. So my asthma is kind of bothering me. I have to use my inhaler and the baby's crying, as y'all can see. So I'm going to end the video here. So thanks guys for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so by clicking that big red word that says subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I post a video. Share this video with all your friends. Like it if you like me, if you like us, if you like my shenanigans. Come back here every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for another vlog. Comment down below any questions, concerns, comments, anything you all want to see next on my channel. Don't forget that self-love is important. Take care of your mental health. Don't forget to smile, and I will see you guys next time on the island. Bye-bye. Empty space to playing. Really? Really?